Oh, there I am.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Grace. Welcome to my channel. I do DIYs, unboxings, travel, and all that wonderful stuff that makes us happy. If this is something that you're interested in, I invite you to subscribe by hitting that red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. I have done a lot of Mackenzie Childs inspired tables, and I have done mirrors and a few other different things like magazine racks. So now I wanted to try something a little bit different. Hold on. Ow. There you go. I'm going to be doing a coat rack today. It's got a lot of round parts, square parts, a lot of different shapes. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge, but you know me, I'm always up for the challenge. So I'm quite excited about it. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start by sanding it, giving it a rough sand. I've been going to so many places to pick up stuff so that I can DIY that it's been a little crazy. My husband is going to be really happy when he finds out he doesn't have to go anywhere tonight. I could go by myself, but he figures that maybe I'll get lost. So, or maybe not come home, or maybe end up with a full truck and have to rent a cube van. I don't know. So these are the feet of the coat rack. I've removed them and I've sanded them all. And now I'm just placing them here, and I'm placing them on these wood sticks to raise them. And I'm going to be painting them now.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you.
It's dry, but I'm just going to leave it a little bit longer, and then I'll do the sides here. And I've done this part already, and then we're going to start the artwork on it. I am going to be taking this out. Now it's completely dry, and I'm sure I'm going to have cleanup. So let's see how this turned out. I can see a little cleanup. It's going to take me a little while. This is how it is so far. I will come back. Not gonna lie, guys, this has been a royal pain in the you-know-what. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you might want to. I have a lot of pictures I share on a daily basis about how I use the stuff that I make or that I create. If you're interested in that, head on over to Instagram. It's the same name, Bold and Graceful. What I'm doing is just doing the squares here, but I'm doing it with a gold pen because it's a little bit easier to see. I've put the tape here for this part, so I'm going to do the strips on this one. And I've started the squares here, the gold. So this is where we are tonight. Did this in the checkers and this here in stripes, but to be perfectly honest, I'm not happy with it. I think it's going to be a little much. I am going to paint this all in black. I sanded down anything that was rough. Drawing right there, you can still see a line in the middle, which I actually like. I think I want to keep it there. Do the whisking.
Synthetic materials are being fed through a hose.
Just for you to see how that goes. What a disaster in my kitchen. Oh my gosh. enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so by hitting that subscribe button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, have an amazing week, and always remember that luxury items are to be used, people are to be loved. And most important, most important, or at least in my point of view, is you want to reach a point in your life where you say, remember when, and never, I wish I did. I will see you next time.
I said the last dream